Okay, we're here to service a tankless water heater. Usually the computer will give you, you can do like a history check. It'll tell you, it'll give you a code, tell you why it's shut down. We're here to diagnose a Noritz tankless water heater. It's shut down for a reason, so we're going to get into the computer and find out why it's shut down. Okay, error code 16. Code 16 is a sharp spike in water temperature outlet. Scale buildup, which hampers heat transfer. Okay, so it needs a descale, most likely. That's what I'm going to recommend the customer.